This was my WordPress dashboard 3 months ago. It's a nightmare. I had 35 active plugins just to run one e-commerce store. I had a plugin for subscriptions, another one for checkout, another for order bumps, and one more for PDF invoices. It's called the Frankenstein method. You stitch together a bunch of different tools from different developers, cross your fingers, and hope they play nice together. But they usually don't. Last week, I finally snapped. I went on a purge. I deleted 12 of my heaviest e-commerce plugins, and I replaced them all with just one tool. Today, I'm going to show you exactly what I deleted, how much money I saved, and the one tool that runs my entire store now. Before I show you the solution, we need to talk about why the plugin stack is dangerous. It's not just about site speed, though that's huge. It's about maintenance depth. When you have 12 different plugins handling your checkout flow, you are relying on 12 different developers to keep their code compatible with each other. One plugin updates, and suddenly your checkout button stops working, or your subscription renewal fails, and you don't even know which plugin caused it. And let's not forget about the cost. The standard WooCommerce stack for a serious store can easily cost you $500 to $1,000 a year just in plugin renewals. So here is the kill list, which I had to get rid of to save my sanity. First to go, the subscription plugin. I was paying nearly $200 a year just to accept recurring payments. It was heavy and it slowed down the dashboard. I deleted. Next, the checkout field editor. I needed this just to remove the company name, field, or add a delivery note. It's a tiny feature that required a whole extra plugin. Deleted. Next, the direct checkout or skip cart plugin. I wanted customers to go straight to checkout to increase conversions. Again, another plugin, so deleted. I cleared the deck, and usually if you do that, your store stops working. But mine got faster. I replaced that entire stack with FluentCart. FluentCart isn't just a checkout plugin, it's an e-commerce framework. The philosophy here is different. They looked at the top 10 things every store owner needs. And instead of making you buy add-ons, they baked them into the core code. Let me show you how it handles what I just deleted. Subscriptions, it's native. You just select recurring on the product page. No extra setup, no $200 fee. Checkout customization, it has a built-in visual builder. I can add fields, remove fields, and create a one-page checkout in seconds. Upsells, it has an order bump feature built right in. I can offer a warranty or a bonus product right at the checkout window. It handles digital downloads securely, it handles pre-orders, it even handles advanced coupons. But the best part isn't the features, it's the feeling of the dashboard. Because this is all one tool. The code is unified, there are no conflicts, the dashboard loads instantly because it's a single-page application. I'm not holding my breath every time I click update. Look, I'm not saying plugins are evil, but plugin gluttony is killing your business. You don't need 50 tools. You need the right tools. By switching to FluentCart, I simplified my workflow. I saved about $600 a year in renewal fees, and my site is significantly lighter. If you are tired of playing plugin Tetris and you just want a store that works, I highly recommend you check out the link in the description. Try FluentCart now and see how many plugins you can delete today. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.